All right, those were just my Ritz crackers on my greased pizza pan. All right, with 2 sticks of butter, I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar right into our pot on medium heat, and we're gonna make sure those mix together beautifully. Once the butter is fully melted, you wanna make sure you really whisk the brown sugar into that butter so that it's not separated. All right, you're gonna wanna stop whisking it and let it get to a boil. Once it's boiled for 2 minutes, we're gonna turn it off and take it to our Ritz crackers. All right, we're gonna pour our toffee right on top of our Ritz crackers. It's okay if you can't cover all of the Ritz crackers because we're gonna pop this in the oven and our toffee will spread in the oven. But I think we did a good amount for this pizza pan. Oh my goodness, it smells incredible, all that delicious sugar and butter, and that's gonna all go right on top of our Ritz. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes. All right, it's 5 minutes in there and it looks absolutely incredible. Now, while it's still hot, we're gonna grab our bag of dark chocolate chips and we're gonna sprinkle that right on top of the toffee and the Ritz crackers. We want a good amount of chocolate and we're gonna put it on there while it's hot so that those chocolate chips can start to melt. And I think I'm gonna use about 3/4 of this bag. Ooh, delicious. Now we're just gonna let this sit until those chocolate chips are shiny. All right, once we see those chocolate chips are starting to get shiny, we're gonna bring in our spatula and we're gonna start to spread that chocolate right on top of that toffee. We wanna make sure that this entire pizza pan gets a nice layer of that dark chocolate. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering. It smells delicious, it looks delicious, and we're gonna add such a fun little flair to this easy Ritz cracker treat, something to make it festive for Easter. But let's just make sure we get that from edge to edge. All right, beautiful. Now for our festive add-on, we have some mini Cadbury eggs. These are the best chocolate in the world, and I did crush up a few of them. And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top of our toffee chocolate Ritz cracker mixture. Now you can leave your eggs whole, you can cut them up even more. You could do a sprinkle or a nut if that's what you prefer, but I absolutely love these eggs, especially around Easter time. They are so addicting, and this dessert deserved something extra. All right, once this is fully decorated, we're gonna pop this in the fridge for 2 hours. All right, the moment is here. Our Easter candy is ready. And the best part about this foil is that we can just take it right out of the pan. And then we should be able to just peel our candy right off. Just like so. And once the foil's off, you can just crack pieces apart like that. Oh my goodness, looks so good. It has chewy, sweet saltiness, and we're gonna place our little pieces right on our platter. And these are ready. You could wrap them up and give them as Easter gifts. You can take them to church on Sunday, but first you gotta give them a taste test. Ooh, look at those layers, the toffee, the Ritz cracker, the chocolate, the Cadbury egg, my favorite part. Let's give it a try. That is so good. Wow.